Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your HoneyBook invoices, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you mark an invoice paid inside your HoneyBook? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to mark your invoice paid in HoneyBook anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, sending out invoices through HoneyBook, you know they have the option to pay with credit card or with an ACH transfer. But sometimes your customers are going to pay you with a check or cash or something else, and you need to mark it as paid. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your HoneyBook account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my HoneyBook, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and mark an invoice as paid, first I want to let you know you're not going to go to the invoices. So normally you're going to click here on files and then click on invoices. For HoneyBook, no. What you're going to do is you're going to click on projects. Once you clicked on projects, you're going to see all the projects you're currently working on. So click on the project that has the invoice that you need to mark as paid. So for example, this one. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see these 5 options right here. And in order to mark an invoice paid, you're going to click right here on payments. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see all of the pending invoices for this particular project. You can see I have 2. And in order to mark it as paid, what you're going to do is just click on these 3 dots next to the status. All right, once you do that, you're going to see this pop up and you want to click as mark as paid. Okay, once you do that, you get to set these different options. So you can mark how did they pay. So let's say they sent out a check, and then you're going to go ahead and list the payment date. So we'll put that for today. And now you're going to go ahead and click this button, mark as paid. All right, quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see this invoice is marked as paid. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to mark an invoice as paid with your HoneyBook account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.